Gigi. Hi. We are doing story time, and today we're reading Two Tiny Mice. This was written by Alan Baker. It's a mouse eye exploration of nature. Ready? Two Tiny Mice. Two tiny harvest mice scampering in the wheat, wandering through the countryside. Who will they meet? First, they see a rabbit sitting very still, nestled in the cowslips high up on the hill. Next, they see a handsome hare listening to a sound, and suddenly a mole appears from deep beneath the ground. They see a sightly sparrow standing by her nest. She's always in a hurry. You'll rarely see her rest. Down by the riverside, a friendly frog hops by. Then a duck steps through the reeds to shake his feathers dry. Next, they see a creature not many of us meet, a playful little otter on the hunt for fish to eat. Suddenly, a fox appears and gives the mice a fright. Quickly, quickly, hurry, run! The mice duck out of sight. Safe again, the mice peek out as it begins to rain and tiptoe past a weasel as they head back home again. Down among the grass and leaves, the mice hear something stir and find a little squirrel there washing her clean fur. Deep down in the undergrowth near a fallen log, they find a snuffling ball of spines, a spiky old hedgehog. As darkness falls, two baby badgers start to romp around, but our two little harvest mice are nowhere to be found. They found their little nest of straw, all woven tight and round, and settled down to pass the night, curled up all safe and sound. They dream of new adventures. What could tomorrow hold? More stories of the countryside, just waiting to be told. That's it. Gigi misses you so much. Sending you kisses, goldfishes. And I'll see you next time. Out the door, dinosaurs.